Welcome to Brainy Kidz, where learning is fun.
Opposite words. Hot, cold. The soup is hot. The ice cream is cold. Big, small. The elephant is big. The mouse is small. Fast, slow. The cheetah is fast. The turtle is slow. Angry, calm. The boy is angry. The girl is calm. Happy, sad. The girl feels happy. The boy looks sad. Hard, soft. The rock is hard. The pillow is soft. Near, far. The boy is near the tree. The boy and girl are far away. Heavy, light. The box is heavy. The feather is light. Clean, dirty. The table is clean. The shirt is dirty. Tall, short. The giraffe is tall. The rabbit is short. Open, closed. The door is open. The door is closed. Strong, weak. The elephant is strong. The jellyfish is weak. Loud, quiet. The music is loud. The library is quiet. Early, late. He woke up early. She is late for school. Sharp, dull. The knife is sharp. The pencil is dull. Thick, thin. The book is thick. The notebook is thin. Long, short. The rope is long. The pencil is short. Right, wrong. His answer is right. Her answer is wrong. Rich, poor. The man is rich. The beggar is poor. Up, down. The bird flew up. The ball rolled down. In, out. The bird is in the cage. The bird is out of the box. Full, empty. The bottle is full. The glass is empty. Left, right. The arrow is pointing left. The arrow is pointing right. Sweet, sour. The cake is sweet. The lemon is sour. Wet, dry. The shirt is wet. The towel is dry. Push, pull. The girl pushed the door. The boy is pulling the rope. Laugh, cry. The joke made her laugh. The sad scene made him cry. Bright, dim. The sun is bright. The candlelight is dim. Brave, scared. The firefighter is brave. The little boy is scared. Smooth, rough. The marble is smooth. The rock is rough. Fresh, stale. The bread is fresh, the donut is stale. Awake, asleep. A girl sits awake reading a book. A boy is fast asleep in his bed. Real, fake. The diamond is real, the news is fake. Safe, dangerous. The playground is safe, the snake is dangerous. Float, sink. The rubber duck floats on water, the ship is sinking. Above, below. The airplane flies above the clouds, fish swim below the water surface. Divide, unite. A pizza is divided into slices. Puzzle pieces unite to form a picture. Forward, backward. A toy car moves forward. Another toy car rolls backward. New, old. This is a new phone. These are old books. Busy, idle. The chef is busy cooking many dishes. The chair is idle with no one sitting on it.
For more educational videos, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel.